Welcome back to Cholla Farm. In today's video, we'll be talking about brooder management. This is one of the most important stages in poultry farming. How you manage your chicks in the first 4 weeks determines their survival and growth. Brooding is the period when chicks need extra warmth and care after hatching, usually from day 1 to 4 weeks old. During this stage, they cannot control their body temperature, so the farmer must provide heat, feed, and comfort. Before bringing in chicks, make sure the brooder is ready. Lay clean, dry litter 2 to 3 inches deep, and also ensure the brooder is warm, about 32 degrees to 35 degrees Celsius for the first week. You can also add guard walls to prevent cold drafts, that is if your environment is super cold. Heat can be provided using charcoal geckos, infrared bulbs, or gas brooders. If chicks huddle tightly, it means they are cold. If they move far from the heat, it's too hot. Always aim for even distribution of chicks around the heat source. Feed your chicks with a high quality chick mash for the first 8 weeks. Also provide clean water with vitamins and glucose, especially in the first 3 days to reduce stress. Clean drinkers twice daily to prevent infections. Keep the brooder clean and dry at all times. Wet litter causes diseases like coccidiosis. Change damp areas daily and ensure good ventilation to avoid ammonia buildup. Observe your chicks every morning and evening. Healthy chicks are active, feed well, and chirp softly. If they are dull, huddled, or have pest events, then you check temperature, feed, or consult a veterinary doctor. As chicks grow, they need more space. Gradually expand the brooder and lower the temperature each week by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius until you reach room temperature. that's how we manage brooders here at Cholla Farm. Remember, good brooding means healthy flocks and better profits. Don't forget to subscribe for more poultry tips from Kenya here at Cholla Farm. And let me know how you do yours, how you do your brooding in the comment section. Let's get interactive.